In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. If you are struggling to manage haptic feedback on this OPPO, I will show you exactly how to do it. Don't worry, I tested it not only on this OPPO, but many others. So all you need to do is go into settings, scroll down a tiny bit and tap on sounds and vibration. Now here's what most people miss. You can tap on ring and then use this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable haptic feedback when your device is ringing. This option though will be disabled if your device is put on silent or vibrate. Speaking of, if you want to disable all sounds completely and leave only haptic feedback, select the vibrate option at the top in the middle. Last but not least, you need to scroll all the way down and select Haptics. Then use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!